It's very dark here, isn't it? Hey, motherfucker. Hey, let's go kill some worms. Yeah, that's a good idea. I think it's a good idea to kill worms. They're ugly. Yeah, let's kill worms. They're very funny looking. There, we could eat them too. Hey, why don't you suck my dick? Oh, I don't think so. Hey, what the fuck's going on here, guys? Oh, hi, can I suck all your dicks? I think I lied. Yeah, you psycho slutty bitch. Hey, you fucking whore, where you going with my bike? I'm gonna kick your motherfucking ass. Hey, I think we'll build something. Holy shit, where the fuck is she going? What the fuck's going on here? Oh my god, she's going crazy. Hey, motherfucker. Look where I am. Hey, you stupid whore. The fuck's your problem? I'm taking this fucking bike and I'm breaking the motherfucker. How you like that shit, bitch? Oh, why do we all look like dicks? So sad, where am I? I look like a dick that grows in the dark. I'm hungry. Hey, you! Do I look like a dick? I guess I do. Hey, you stupid little bitch, what's your problem? Oh, I want to eat you, you asshole. But I want you in my pussy. Well, I can just jump in there real quick. No problem. Oh, I missed. What the fuck's going on? I don't want you in my pussy anymore. You're little, and I think you look like Jeff's penis. You're very small, motherfucker. Hey, wasn't that cool? That's all right. I'll do it some more. Oh, but I'm so afraid I look like a penis. Oh, you don't look like a penis. Hey, I can fly, can't I? That's pretty cool. Wish I had hair. Yeah, you don't need hair. I got hair. I can swing around trees. You're a slutty bitch. But I can dance and sit down. Boy, I feel like a whore. You little dick-looking thing. Boing, boing, boing. Wow, there's stars in the sky. Oh my god, we're on acid. Oh, look at the colors. Oh, it's very nice. Oh, I love this acid shit. Look what I can do. Hey, you can fly and you're wearing a dress and we're wearing a dress. Let's play lesbian. Da 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 da. Oh, I love acid. Gotta get more. Dancing with you is like dancing with my father's penis. Why, thank you. Moon, on the moon, dude. Here comes some clouds. Come and get me. It's gonna rain in the forest. Fire! Fire! The tree's on fire! Help! Help! Oh my goodness! Hey, it's that guy who looks like a penis! Please help us, Mr. Penis! Oh, don't worry about it! Help! Mr. Penis! Hey, shut the fuck up! I'm worried about myself right now. Here comes the penis posse. Hey, Penis! Penis, are you okay? He's probably fine. Don't worry about him. Get some pussy. Oh, I wish I had some pussy. Let's go get some. Pussy! Pussy! Pussy, where are you? I want some pussy. Help me! Help me! I'm a sad penis. Stroke me so I can come. Hey, baby, don't sweat it. Please, I want to be stroked. Could you just stroke me one time? Just once? Fuck you then. I'm gonna jump in the leaves. Swing, swing. Oh, I feel so horny. I'm gonna... What the fuck's your problem, you dumb whore? I'm running. I have an umbrella. If I'm gonna die, I might as well play silly. I'm still on acid. It looks so cool. Hey, Hey, look, I can dig. Dig it? Woo, I feel like I'm jumping in a hole. Get it? The motherfuckers, they left us here. We're just gonna have to live in a tree. What assholes. Yay, we're here, we're here! Hey, you fucking idiot, we're in the middle of the fire. Hey, yay, yay! You're not asshole Metro. Hey, you're a bunch of fucking idiots. Pussy. Oh my god, it's a fire. Hey, I gotta climb the tree. Oh, here I go, climb, climb, climb. I didn't know dicks could climb like this. Flying dick. Boing. Boing. Doop, 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 doop. Hey, you idiots, I'm coming. My tree's on fire, you fucking retards. Help! Fire! I'm gonna burn! I'm a glow-in-the-dark penis. Hey, you idiots, get your ass out of the hole. Help! Help! Ah! There's another dick in the tree! Oh my god! It's my brother, Big Dick! I'll get him out with this string. Boop! Okay, there I go! Pull up the dick! Oh, thank you, you big fucking penis! What the hell are you making me chase for you? Oh, I was getting pussy! Hey, let's get pussy together! Oh, this is wet like a pussy anyway. Here comes fire again! Ah! Now it's gonna be hot like a pussy. Hot and wet, I love it. Boy, I was swimming in that pussy. Hey, it's raining. What the fuck? Why the hell does it start raining now? Oh, I love pussy. It's so good. Well, isn't it great being a walking penis? Hey, could you fuck me one time? Sure. Let me hug you first. Let me hug you some more. We're fucking. This is where I gotta fuck. My favorite place. You like it? Hey, you asshole. I want my bike back. It was a Harley Bear. I don't want my fucking bike, or I'm gonna kick your fucking ass. I'll kill you. Break your balls. Hey! The fuck's that whore doing here? I'm gonna take your bike, you fucking son of a bitch. Hey, it's mine, ain't it? Bye. Hey, you assholes, I can dig with this bike. Fuck off. Hey! My little pony and friends. My little pony and friends. Oh yeah. Hey, I got a new Barbie doll. I can paint her nails. I can paint my lips. I can be a slut. Oh, let's make Barbie look like a slut. Me too. Hey, I can get $100 for her on the corner. Hey, motherfucker, you look like a bear with a thing in your nose. Oh, squeeze us, make us hard. And our noses do funny things, 'cause we're bears, huh? Nosy bears.